An object travels at a constant speed of 12 centimeters per second. At this speed, what is the time in seconds it would take for the object to travel 108 centimeters? So what I'll do first, I'm going to underline the question. What is the time in seconds that it would take for the object to travel 108 centimeters? Next, I'm going to highlight what we know. So the speed is 12 centimeters per second. And he's traveling, or the object rather is traveling in total 108 centimeters. So the best way to solve this is to set up a proportion. So we know 12 centimeters for 1 second equal to 108 centimeters for however many seconds we don't know. So I'll leave it as x. Then I'm going to cross multiply. So that will give us 12 times x equals 108. Divide both sides by 12, and that should give us our total time in seconds. So 108 divided by 12 is equal to 9, so that's 9 seconds. So that is answer choice A. If you like this video, please DM SAT to get your free SAT study guide.